Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I wanted to show you the beautiful TN insert that Tracie Fox has made for me. The order of the videos is a bit odd. I'm uploading mine for Tracie tomorrow. I've still got to add trim to the spine and two other things. I was a bit behind on this swap for one reason and another, and there's been a few things going on, bereavement and whatnot, but I'm back. Before I show you this beautiful insert, which Tracie has done a flip through for, and I'll edit at the end and I'll link it and link her channel for you. Tracie has wrapped this in this newspaper from 1945, East Anglia, and there's this ad for the Bernardo's children's homes on it that, oh, I nearly cried when I saw it, but I'm going to read that after this. Oh, I nearly put my address on here. Gorgeous sticker on the packaging, beautiful card. This is a nature-themed journal swab, and I've opened the seam binding just because it was easier for me, because I'm filming this with a phone myself. This is absolutely gorgeous. It really is so beautiful. It's the first traveller's notebook insert that I've seen in real life. I know this is a real vintage embroidered fabric. Now, originally I wasn't going to open this until I'd done the video for mine, and I was going to open it on camera, but we spoke and Tracie was eager for me to open it, and she said, don't wait. This old cookbook page, I can't believe the recipes on here. There's two of them I want to make. It's a collection of recipes that just normal British housewives would have contributed. They've collected them. I can't remember what year you said it was from. I'll put it back at the end. But there's some beautiful poems and lots of lovely little touches. I know that Tracie added some extra charms as well after she did her video. I love this. I particularly like, this was a favourite, that she's hand sewn with a vintage book page. Am I in focus? I'm not sure if I am. I hope so. But I love these book page pockets. And I love these book page edges that you've done with the sewing. Really pretty washi. And I said to Tracie afterwards how much I love mushrooms. It's these that I love. And are these the ones that you said were chacuna? They look like real vintage pieces. Is that William Morris? Looks like a William Morris design. This is that typing school letter, which is really interesting. Very pretty bead charm. I'm not going to pull everything out because Tracie's done a full flip through. That's the antenna on the butterfly. I just want to point out certain things. Love that. I love it when a trim doesn't go the whole length. And I love stitches hanging out. This is really beautiful. Lots of really British wildflowers. Love the Edith Holden. This, I've got, my mum said this reminds her of when she was a little girl, you'd get patterns like that. I've got an interesting book that's got patterns like that in, and I am going to scan them after seeing this. You don't like to cut things up, do you, until you've got copies of the nice bits. I love this acorn. Violets are a favourite. This is one of my favourite things. She's made a book page envelope with Edith Holden. She knows I particularly love birds' eggs. Oh, that was right. It's not just an envelope. She made it into a booklet. I love that. I'll keep it there so I don't forget where it goes. Some of the poems in this are so beautiful. Love the tipping. That reminds me of curtains that my nan used to have. That's lovely. Proper vintage lace. Is that the tea or the cigarette cards? Brooke Bond, yeah, the tea cards. I remember collecting the endangered species ones when I was a kid. Or my nan used to collect them for me. Oh, I just love the pockets with the book pages. I mean, I love everything that's in it. That is gorgeous. I especially like this set of cards. And further back, the ones with the grasshoppers on are so cute. So many things in here remind me of when I was a little girl. When was this series? Oh, hang on, I'm wasting video time, sorry. I love these. I think it was Fiona J that came up with the idea of the sewing pattern pages, the sewing pattern paper. Put that on there. I'm so glad you did one of those. Really nice lace trim. I bet this video is all blurry. I hope not. What book was this from? It's gorgeous. Belle. I love these fabric tabs. Hares are a favourite of mine. And they're an endangered species now. Because of people hair coursing and building over where they live, which is disgusting. Beautiful. What flowers is on? Love that. I said to Tracie how much I wish I had a sewing machine. My mum's getting me one for Christmas, but I've still got to make space for it. That's a beautiful stamp. I just love all the handmade tags and the sewing. Wow, I missed that when I was looking earlier. And everyone, I will be doing a flip through of Tracie's journal tomorrow morning. And oh, that's lovely. They're just so pretty, these illustrations. And I love wildflowers. I've got more of a thing about those than the kind you plant, all these fancy roses. Used to see so many of them. There was so much countryside when we were kids, and it's just disappearing. Tracie actually scanned real flowers to print those. She's so creative. That is really pretty. Is that wisteria? I love wisteria. I love all the sort of violet tone flowers. I know this is a Nazi floating pocket. Well, there's a lizard on there. You'll definitely have to watch Tracie's flip through. Dormouse, another endangered species. They're adorable mice. And Tracie's done, there's that gorgeous book page, and then she's done an envelope again with the flowers that she scanned. Oh, lovely coffee dyeing. It's just all those little touches like that flower and the trim. You know, the sort of random trims that only go a certain way. I really love it, and all the stitching. Beautiful image. Little ladybird. So the charms, there's a mushroom in here, a ladybird, and something else. I think it was one of the beads that she added extra after her video. Oh, right, if I swap hands I can show you this. I'm quite nervous today because I haven't made a video for ages. I sort of can't remember. It's almost like I've forgotten how to do it. 2 seconds, this bit's going to be awful. Right. I had to get this out. It's a booklet with all the end papers, and she's used Edith Holden to make it. Absolutely love that. You see, it's like a journal within a journal. Oh, the song thrushes. Beautiful. I love that nest with the eggs. I told Tracie how much I love pretty birds' eggs and nests. And we both love birds, animals, nature. This is absolutely gorgeous, Tracie. I love it. Oh, this little bell is so cute. Oh, thank you so much. Tracie and I have taken part. This is a personal swap, and we've just become really good friends. And I'm glad we've done this swap. It's also taught me something new. I've never made a traveller's notebook insert before. You know, and the measuring involved. I'm not a measuring person. Mine are pretty random. I love that with the eggs. I think this is my favourite thing out of the whole thing, and the little booklet in the back. But this is so me. This is very, very me. And I've got lots of little things of this theme to put in here. Right, everyone. I will see you tomorrow when I upload a flip through of the journal I've made for Tracie. Trying to keep it under 15 minutes. And there will also be a surprise tomorrow as well. See you all. Bye.